Hi guys, today I wanted to make a summery drink. So maybe for those of you who don't know, we live in the southern hemisphere, so it's really hot right now. We wanted to make a really cold and sweet drink. So I'm gonna start by making some simple syrup. So making it is really easy. The only thing you need to do is measure 1¼ cup of sugar with 1 cup of water and heat that up. Next, mix 1 cup of strawberries with a splash of water in a food processor. Prepare a jar with some ice, lemon wedges and a couple of strawberries. I want this drink to be cute. Add some water along with 1¼ cup of lemon juice and the strawberry puree we just made. Add as much simple syrup as you want. I personally like my drinks really sweet, but that's totally a personal preference. What do you think of this recipe? I think it looks nice and it's really tasty. So tell us in the comments where you're from and if you will drink this drink even though maybe it's cold for you. I don't personally have any problem with drinking cold drinks in the winter, but that's just me. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe if you liked it, and I will see you next time. Bye!